Malawi Brief.
Ngoma imeneyo ndithu kufika kuno ku nyumba ya malamulo mtsogoleri wa dziko lino Peter Mutharika kulowa ndithu mchipinda chija chimene aphungu amachitiramo zokambirana zawo, kunena kwake kuti apa ndiye kuti aliyense amene timayembekezera tsiku la lero kuti mwambo umene utsopano uyambe kuno ku nyumba ya malamulo wafika. Mtsogoleri ndi ujamamuona Peter Mutharika kufika ndithu ndi achitetezo kulowa tsopano mu nyumba imeneyi ya malamulo. Nthawi ina iliyonse akhale akukhala ndithu mpando uja. Lero tikuchitika zinthu zopereka chidwi chifukwa mpando umene nthawi zonse pamakhala speaker wa nyumba ya malamulo ndi pameneno pamakhala mtsogoleri wa dziko kuti ayankhule ku mtundu wa Malawi. Pakhale ndithu kuyankhula chifukwa zoyankhula zimakhala zambiri, ndiye tiyembekezere ndithu kuti ayankhulabe kwa kanthawi kufotokozera zonse zimene zikuchitika mdziko lino, zili potani, zinthu zikuyenda motani. Tikhale tikulowa mkati mmenemo nthawi ina iliyonse posachedwapo mpano kuti timve mtsogoleri wa dziko lino atiyankhule motani.
One, stop fraudulent contracts. Two, reduce reckless traveling and spending on non-essential activities. Three, audited personnel and flushed out ghost workers. And four, appointed officials on merit. Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, my government has introduced further measures targeted at economic recovery, reduce macroeconomic stability, and stimulate growth. Accordingly, to bring the economy back on course and reach the hardships faced by our citizens, we have implemented the following strategic measures. One, we bought maize to address the hunger crisis. Two, we procured affordable fertilizer within the shortest time possible and made it available to farmers. And three, we restocked the fuel supplies to end the fuel crisis and resuscitate the private sector. Mr. Speaker, sir, what we have managed to deliver in 4 months is far more than some governments do not deliver in 5 years. It is for this reason that the theme of this address is the path to economic recovery, delivering a people-centered development. CDF from 20 million to 5 billion per constituency per year. We have also shifted management responsibility to controlling officers in local authority. This is a fundamental transformation in how we finance local development. Mr. Speaker, sir, to ensure transparency and accountability, my government has developed CDF guidelines and will invest in national CDF digital dashboard to give Malawians real-time access to information on CDF. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to make it very clear that these resources are for the benefit of local Malawians and are performance-based. I will therefore not tolerate any mismanagement. Those who found mismanaging resources will face the long arm of the law. According to the Constitution, the National Government Finance Committee is mandated to facilitate financial management for local councils. I expect this committee to be active, effective, and urgently foster strong partnerships with key accountability stakeholders to ensure that councils account for their resources. Mr. Speaker, sir, as part of exciting local development, I'm pleased to announce that in 2026 financial year, with financing from International Fund for Agricultural Development, my government will construct two-story market buildings in the cities of Blantyre, Zomwe, and Mfundo. Agriculture and food security. When I assumed office, Malawi was in a serious food crisis. The price of maize was beyond the reach of many families. My government bought maize and distributed it freely to Malawians indeed. The strategic intervention increased maize supply on the market and brought prices down. Today, maize selling at between 38,000 and 50,000 per 50 kg bag from around 100,000 before my government took over. Despite getting into office almost a week before planting rains, we have made affordable fertilizer available to many Malawians. We have so far distributed to 65% of the targeted 1.1 million beneficiaries. By this time last year, only 45% had received fertilizer. Despite getting into office almost a week before planting rains, we have made affordable fertilizer available to many Malawians. We have so far distributed up to 65% of the targeted beneficiaries. In the 2026-27 agriculture season, Malawians should expect a better and improved delivery of affordable fertilizer program. However, I must emphasize that we need an affordable and sustainable solution to fertilizer. As such, we are facilitating the commencement of a fertilizer production in this country. Mr. Speaker, sir, you will also recall that we found tobacco farmers stranded with 3.5 million kilograms of unsold tobacco on the auction floor. In my mid-year budget review statement, I directed that the tobacco be sold. I'm pleased to report that almost all the tobacco was sold, earning $8.6 million. Mr. Speaker, sir, despite billions of budget being channeled towards mega farms, the program was a total mess. I've seen directly the minister responsible to review and redesign the program so it works efficiently and serves all Malawians. Industrialization and trade. Mr. Speaker, sir, my development agenda is to transform Malawi from a consuming and importing nation to a producing and exporting one, with industrialization as a pillar of growth. In pursuit of this agenda, government will continue with the development of special economic zones to attract high-value investments. These include Magwero, Chigumula, Matindi, and Dunduzu Industrial Park. And two, government will also strengthen cooperatives and micro, small, and medium enterprises to boost value addition and increase import substitution. Mr. Speaker, sir, my government also intends to support for local production to further drive down commodity prices, create jobs and grow the economy, tourism and development. Mr. Speaker, sir, my government is committed to promoting tourism. I can report that we operationalize the Tourist Authority to accelerate implementation of flagship projects such as 1, Salima Integrated Tourism Resort, and 2, Likoma Activities Center.